Video 3. So we've added our ground, we've added our character, it's playable. Now what we're going to do is expand our floor. I'm going to just copy and paste it so it goes out of the barrier. When I press play, I get my game up, and here we go. Now he's going to scroll, right? Oh no! So let's do some fixes here. First fix that we're going to do. We go back into Construct 2, click our character. We're going to have to add a behavior. If we want our character to stay in the center, we need to, let's see, scroll 2. This is going to make him or her the center of the game. So you say add, done, and now when I press play, check it out. Oh, now our character's in the center. Great. When they fall down, though, nothing happens. The game's just kind of bugged out. So now we're going to fix that. To do that, we're going to click our character, add a behavior, add, destroy outside layout. This will kill the character once they fall down. Now, this is where we're going to make our first events. Now, events, like I said, are triggers. They're things that happen because of events in the game. Events. So we're going to start by saying add event. And first thing you have to do is pick the first focus of the event. So we're focusing on the sprite. Now, if the sprite, there's a whole bunch of different actions here. And in fact, when you add behaviors, there will be additional options. So what we want to say is when the sprite is destroyed. On destroyed in miscellaneous. Done. So when the sprite is destroyed, we have to add an action. Now, I want my level to restart. So I go to System, because the system is going to be triggering the things that the player doesn't see. So we are going to restart the layout. Done. And just by adding this, you'll see that not only can I scroll, I can jump, and now when I die, boop, it restarts. That's handy. Now what we're going to do, let's see. So we added that, okay. Let's play around with our character a little bit. So in the behaviors section in properties, you'll notice that there are more properties, kind of like there were more events available. There are more properties based on that behavior I gave. So if I want to do a max speed of maybe 800, an acceleration of 2000, I can also do a double jump. Let's check it out. So now, same game, but my guy's a lot faster. Okay, so now that we've done this, let's add a second level. Won't take that long. First thing you have to do is draw a door. So we're going to add sprite here. I'm just going to draw a simple door. Crop it. If you don't crop it, then it'll be like the object is larger than it actually looks, and it makes it a little wonky. So I put my door, I'm going to say here. And we have to add some event, because we want it, the computer needs to know that when the character touches this door, it's special. Something's going to happen. So we go into the event sheet, we're going to add an event. So now we're going to focus on the door. So we double click that, and we say collisions, okay, when it hits. Collisions enable, on collision with another object. And now I have to choose the object that it's going to collide with to make an event happen. And I say my sprite. Done. So when the door hits the sprite, the system will go to next. Well, you could say go to layout. Right now we only have level 1, so we'll just say done. So there's two things that happen. If my character dies, the level will reset. If not, let's see, so there's a reset, and now if I jump, oh, it reset. So now we've got some stuff cooking. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to make a new layout, and it's going to be basic. So I'm going to add a layout, add an event sheet, and we'll call this level 2. And what we're going to do, let's just go back to the event sheet number 1. Say system go to level 2. It's now there. So now when I run my game, oh, I have to make sure that I'm in the correct layout that I want to have tested. So I'll go back here. I'm going to say do this one. It starts in level 1. And now we're in level 2. Cool. Play around with level 1, level 2. Make something that's fun. See if you can maybe customize some of the graphics. And we'll continue our learning in our next video.